Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're playing Math Detective, using area and perimeter to find missing dimensions.
But how exactly do we find a missing measurement when the numbers literally aren't there?
In math, reasoning is your detective work. It's using the clues you do have to find what's missing. Your main clues, area, which is the inside space, and perimeter, the total outside edge. Take a look at this yellow square. It has a total perimeter of exactly 40 centimeters. Since a square's sides are equal, just divide that 40 by 4. You get 10 centimeters a side. Okay, what if we only know this green rectangle's area is 48 and one side is 6? Just do the reverse. Divide the 48 total area by 6, revealing the missing 8 centimeters. Now here's a crazy twist. Shapes with the exact same area can have totally different perimeters. A 9 by 4 rectangle and a 6 by 6 square both share a 36 centimeter area, but their perimeters differ. Let's level up to compound shapes. These are just basic shapes joined together, waiting to be broken apart. Here's the golden rule. Never guess. Diagrams can be super sneaky, so always rely on the math. Check out this pink shape. The total vertical height is 12 centimeters, but the inner vertical is 5. Just subtract that known 5 from the total 12. Boom, your missing side is exactly 7 centimeters. Now for the ultimate puzzle. How do you find a missing dimension using just the total compound area? Here's your 3-step attack plan. Calculate the known area, subtract from the total, then divide. Simple. If our total compound area is 50, first calculate rectangle A. 6 times 5 equals 30. Next, subtract that 30 from our grand total of 50. That leaves 20 for rectangle B's area. Finally, divide rectangle B's area by its known 4 centimeter width. That reveals the missing 5 centimeter length. Case closed. So, what everyday mysteries around your own home could you solve by calculating missing measurements?